everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below as well. So before we get started, I do want to apologize for any noise in the background. It would either be my dogs or my daughter. So I just want to apologize if there is any noise throughout this video. And also, I have no idea what I'm going to be creating other than we're going to be using the first Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and it's the 35 Dream colors. So it looks like this, and you have a ton of shades. Obviously, it's called 35 Dreams because there's 35 shades in here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you guys are zoomed in quite a bit, so you can definitely see the eyes up here. I have my eye patches in front of me, however, I don't think I'm going to use those today. So let's just go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. So I'm going to grab my ColourPop E17 brush. And the first shade that I want to go into in here is going to be the purple shade. So it's going to be that shade right there. So basically I'm just going to, hold on, maybe I don't want to use that brush. Okay, so I'm actually going to skip on that E17 and go in with my E19 just because it's got like more movement to it. But again, I'm just going to go into that purple shade and tap off. Now what I'm going to do is go up into my crease with this, and I'm probably going to be messy right now too, just because I want to build that color up. And I typically, my chair is knocking the camera. Okay, so typically when I go over, I just stop it. But I'm going to go all the way around and down, as you can tell that I just did. So I'm going to go into a little bit more of that purple shade because I think what I want to do is bring it up just a little bit higher. Again, I'm going to go all the way around. So if you watch my videos, you know I never do this. I usually just go up into the crease and then, like I said, just stop. So making sure to go all the way down and around. Now that I've kind of got that placed, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a larger fluffy brush, and this is my ColourPop E2 brush. So again, going back into that purple shade, tapping off. And that is just because I want to go higher up. So again, if you don't like it really high, then obviously don't go as high as me. I mean, I'm sure that you can even go higher than what I do. But it's completely up to you, your preference. Right now, I just want to make sure that I have that purple down so we can see that. Don't really worry about how much you get onto the eyelid because we can fix that. Okay, so my left eye ended up being higher up than my right eye, so I just ended up going higher on my right eye to even them out. But now we're going to go into the blue shade in here, so right next to that purple shade. And I'm going to take one of Jaclyn Hill's brushes. This is the Jaclyn Hill 36 brush right here. And I'm going to go into that blue. Tap off. And Emma is being super loud right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on this outer corner right here. So I'm kind of like lightly just going back and forth. I'm not like going in circular motions or anything. I'm just kind of building up that color. And I'm kind of regretting now not putting eye patches on because I'm definitely getting some fallout by doing this. So as you can tell, it looks like that now. Just gonna go in with a little bit more. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is gonna go in with my P. Louise, and I'm gonna take that on my ColourPop E18 brush, so any flat brush will do, and then just my P. Louise. Now for this part, what I'm going to do is, you see where the blue stops right there? So I'm going to go from the inner corner, and then I'm just going to go about like halfway where that's at and stop. So again, you're going to stop right there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ColourPop E3 brush. So it's another flat brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shade right here, and then I'm going to put that on top of that P. Louise. So I'm just pushing down. Okay, so then it should look like that. I'm just going to go in a little bit more, just kind of build it up. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is go back in with that Jaclyn Hill brush and go back into that blue shade. Tap off. And then I'm just going to blend those two shades together. I'm just going to go back with that E3 brush just to kind of help blend that top part into that blue. Okay, back with that Jaclyn Hill brush. Okay, and then what it should look like is that. It should look like this now. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye now. Okay, so I have a purple eyeliner by NYX. It is in the shade Violet. So I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. Okay, so I also have this LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Auto Eyeliner in Totally Teal. So I'm going to put that on my lower lash line as well, but more so on like the inner corner. So as you can tell, it's more on like that inner corner. Okay, and then I also have this LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner in the color Navy. And I'm going to put that on like my on my lower lash line, but on the outer part. So basically that purple is just staying in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with that purple and just like reapply it in the middle on my lower lash line. So then it should look like that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is apply some Ardell magnetic lashes on top. Okay, you guys, so I didn't apply the magnetic liner just because apparently when I went to go put them on, I lost one of them, so I have no idea where that one's at. But on top, I did already apply the magnetic gel liner. I wish it would just be regular black liner because I couldn't apply the falsies, but it's fine. I went ahead and applied my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara on top, and then my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara on my bottom lashes. I also topped my lips with the Too Faced Melted Metallic in Sugar Kisses, and then I put Lime Life, their Perfect Lip Gloss in the color Grace on top. And I also went ahead and applied my highlighter. It's the Ofra Cosmetics Highlight in Donut. Or glazed donut, I should say. But overall, this is the completed eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye!